Hi everyone, I'm going to talk to you about these two trash cans I picked up at the Amazon Prime, as well as the decals I picked up. We wanted to go with stainless steel for both the recycle and trash, so it looked better in our laundry room here. One of the first things people see if they come in this way from the house. First off, I got these decals. They're the recycled trash vinyl modern logos, 5.5-inch diameter. These are actually very good quality decals. These are almost feel like they're professional the way they go on, and I suggest carefully reading the instructions because you can actually see the detail, and there's some fragile parts, components to them, so you have to be very careful when you put them on, otherwise you can actually tear it. Actually see here, they go on very nicely. Definitely not generic at all. This first one here is obviously using for the trash can. It's simplehuman, the 50 liter or 13.2 gallon, depending which measure you guys use. It's easy to find. I think it's one of their top sellers. This one over here is the Amazon Basics. It's the D-shaped soft close trash can, 50 liter as well. So they're both soft close. They close very nicely. So if you actually can see, very, very sturdy. You can actually, obviously you have trash in here. I've used it for almost about a month now, and we definitely love them. You can actually see how it closes very, very soft. So if you open it again, this is actually a lock. You can actually lock the whole thing open. So if you actually want to use it, keep it open, then it closes even slower. This one actually, you can tell, has very good quality hinge back here. Very aesthetically pleasing. This doesn't have a lock, but that wouldn't be for our need, since we're not going to be putting any hovering over it when we're cutting food or anything like that. They're actually nice and slender. You can see this is very short quarters here, as far as between the dryer, washer, cat litter, and the wall. So we needed something slender. Definitely enough room. You can see we can still get in here, open the door, get to it easily. This one, the only downfall to this one here is you have to have a little gap there between the wall. So otherwise this hinge part here will actually hit. So, but it's still not terrible. It has to be staggered out slightly, but the way they look, it doesn't really matter. You can see for yourself. This one here, the rectangular one, is nice because you can put it right up to the trim of the wall, and you can still comfortably open it without having to hit the wall. And so far I've been pleased with them. They're easy to get the whole basket out if you want to take the whole thing out and clean it. It's easy to clean. It's a little harder to do with one hand. Same thing with this one. The whole thing comes out. And actually, simplehuman sent their own bags with them. And these are very good quality bags. I highly recommend them. And you can see they're for the 50 to 65 liter cans. But they'll also use typical 13 gallon ones. And you can see it's a little tight for the 13 gallon one, but it's a nice fit. It won't fall out. It's got a nice little lip, so it holds on really well. And easy to take out and clean. So if you have any comments, feel free to post them at the bottom, but I'll be putting the links for all 3 items because the decals come as one pack on Amazon, and feel free to click on them and check them out on Amazon. Look forward to hearing you guys' comments.